Peptic ulcer. Introduction. The stomach is a hollow organ in the upper abdomen under the ribs. Select true or false. Correct. Acids break down food in the stomach. Peptic ulcers are most commonly found in the stomach or duodenum. Select true or false. Correct. Most peptic ulcers affect one or both of these areas. Peptic ulcers cause discomfort, but they are not a serious health concern. Select true or false. Correct. Peptic ulcers can cause serious problems if not treated. Frequent use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen can cause a peptic ulcer. Select true or false. Correct. Frequent use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen can cause a peptic ulcer. Should you tell your healthcare provider only about the prescription medications that you are taking? Select yes or no. Correct. Always tell your healthcare provider about any prescription and over-the-counter medications you are taking. Once you have a peptic ulcer, it will never go away. Select true or false. Correct. Peptic ulcers can be treated and even cured. Thank you for using Explain.